Now let's talk about sponsor companies. After setting up site configuration, email templates, payment gateways, bank accounts, we are now setting up sponsor companies. What are sponsor companies? Whenever we create an event, there will be companies that are willing to sponsor the event. For them to be able to participate in an event, we must add them here in the global configuration so that they can be used inside of the event. Let's create a sponsor company. Clicking on add new company, we can type in the company name. Let's say it's Currinda. Its address, let's say it's Victoria. Let's say the suburb is again Victoria. Country is Australia. And state is Victoria. Let's just rename this to Melbourne. Let's say the postcode is some random number, and we can type in our website currinda.com. We can choose a logo. Let's skip it for now. We can also type in the company profile, which is basically like a description. Currinda is an event management company. After that, we'll be setting up the primary contact for this company. Let's say for this, the the search will only work for the users that are existing within Currinda right now. If our user does not exist within Currinda, we can click on add user, fill in the details just like the form we already have filled. We can type in all the details and click on add user, and the user gets added, and then we'll be able to assign the person as a primary contact. Let's just search for a random person right now. Let's say we set up Mike Bickford. Since this is a test environment, we have test emails here. We can also set up secondary contacts. Let's say again a random person, whoever comes up in the search. Let's say it's Pyle. Now what happens is once we add these primary contacts and secondary contacts, we can assign one of them as the contact for an event. For example, if a person is going to uh, be part of an event on behalf of the company, it could be the primary contact, it could be the secondary contact. The rule is that one of the person should be added to one of the lists, either a primary contact or the secondary contacts. Once we click save, the company gets saved. We have saved the company. We can go on and create global entitlements. Let's skip API clients for now. We'll refer to API clients after this video. Now, what are global entitlements? Global entitlements are the entitlements provided to sponsors once they are added onto an event. The entitlements could be, let's say, 5 registrations are free, or you can conduct a workshop, or we can say some other kind of benefit that the sponsor gets. Some of them are pretty reusable. We do not want to create them for every event one by one, so we create global list of those entitlements that can then be added onto the sponsor for an event. Let's create one for now. Let's type in the entitlement name. Let's say it's 5 free registrations, and then we can add a description for it. And then once we are done, we can save it, and we'll refer to it once we are adding the sponsors. Thank you.